to Sound Bites Academy. You have reached day 21 of our 30 days English Level Up Challenge for beginners. I'd like to buy a ticket for the movie tonight. How much does it cost?
I'd like to buy a ticket for the movie tonight. How much does it cost?
Let's go to the beach tomorrow. We can build sandcastles and swim in the sea.
Let's go to the beach tomorrow. We can build sandcastles and swim in the sea.
Can I have a chocolate ice cream cone, please? It's my favorite flavor.
Can I have a chocolate ice cream cone, please? It's my favorite flavor.
How about we visit the zoo this weekend? We can see lions, elephants, and monkeys.
How about we visit the zoo this weekend? We can see lions, elephants, and monkeys.
Do you want to play a game of soccer with me at the park?
Do you want to play a game of soccer with me at the park?
May I have a slice of pizza? It smells delicious.
May I have a slice of pizza? It smells delicious.
How about we go to the library and pick out some books to read?
How about we go to the library and pick out some books to read?
Let's go for a hike in the mountains. The view from the top must be amazing.
Let's go for a hike in the mountains. The view from the top must be amazing.
I'd love to have a cup of hot cocoa. It's perfect for this chilly weather.
I'd love to have a cup of hot cocoa. It's perfect for this chilly weather.
Can I have some help with this math problem? I'm a bit stuck.
Can I have some help with this math problem? I'm a bit stuck.
How about we visit the museum and learn about history and art?
How about we visit the museum and learn about history and art?
May I borrow your umbrella? It looks like it's going to rain.
May I borrow your umbrella? It looks like it's going to rain.
I'm thinking of starting a vegetable garden in my backyard. That's a great idea.
I'm thinking of starting a vegetable garden in my backyard. That's a great idea.
You can grow fresh produce while also enjoying the therapeutic benefits of gardening.
You can grow fresh produce while also enjoying the therapeutic benefits of gardening.
What are your plans for the weekend? I'm going camping with my family.
What are your plans for the weekend? I'm going camping with my family.
Can I join you and your friends for the game night? It sounds like fun.
Can I join you and your friends for the game night? It sounds like fun.
How about we have a picnic in the park and bring some sandwiches and fruits?
How about we have a picnic in the park and bring some sandwiches and fruits?
May I have your attention, please? We have an announcement to make.
May I have your attention, please? We have an announcement to make.
I'm trying to learn a new language. Do you have any tips for me?
I'm trying to learn a new language. Do you have any tips for me?
Let's go to the farmer's market and buy some fresh fruits and vegetables.
Let's go to the farmer's market and buy some fresh fruits and vegetables.
Can I have a cookie from the jar? They look delicious.
Can I have a cookie from the jar? They look delicious.
How about we go to the amusement park and ride the roller coasters?
How about we go to the amusement park and ride the roller coasters?
May I have some milk for my cereal, please? It tastes better with milk.
May I have some milk for my cereal, please? It tastes better with milk.
I'm planning to visit a new city soon. Any suggestions?
I'm planning to visit a new city soon. Any suggestions?
Let's go to the pet store and see the cute puppies and kittens.
Let's go to the pet store and see the cute puppies and kittens.
How about we have a movie night at home and watch our favorite films?
How about we have a movie night at home and watch our favorite films?
May I know your name? I'm new here, and I'd like to make friends.
May I know your name? I'm new here, and I'd like to make friends.
I enjoy doing DIY projects and crafts in my spare time.
I enjoy doing DIY projects and crafts in my spare time.
Can I help you with carrying those heavy bags? They look quite heavy.
Can I help you with carrying those heavy bags? They look quite heavy.
How about we have a picnic by the lake and enjoy the peaceful scenery?
How about we have a picnic by the lake and enjoy the peaceful scenery?
I'd love to try that new restaurant everyone's talking about. Are you up for it?
I'd love to try that new restaurant everyone's talking about. Are you up for it?
Let's go to the bookstore and browse through the latest bestsellers.
Let's go to the bookstore and browse through the latest bestsellers.
Can I take a photo with you? You look so stylish in that outfit.
Can I take a photo with you? You look so stylish in that outfit.
How about we go to the beach and collect seashells as souvenirs?
How about we go to the beach and collect seashells as souvenirs?
May I ask you a question? What's your favorite color?
May I ask you a question? What's your favorite color?
I'm thinking of joining a dance class. Do you want to join too?
I'm thinking of joining a dance class. Do you want to join too?
Let's go to the art gallery and admire the beautiful paintings.
Let's go to the art gallery and admire the beautiful paintings.
Can I have a piece of cake? It's my birthday today.
Can I have a piece of cake? It's my birthday today.
How about we visit the botanical garden and see all the different plants?
How about we visit the botanical garden and see all the different plants?
May I use your laptop for a moment? I need to check my email.
May I use your laptop for a moment? I need to check my email.
I'd like to sign up for the cooking class. How do I do that?
I'd like to sign up for the cooking class. How do I do that?
Let's go to the concert this weekend. We can dance and sing along to the music.
Let's go to the concert this weekend. We can dance and sing along to the music.
Can I have some more juice, please? It's really refreshing.
Can I have some more juice, please? It's really refreshing.
How about we go on a bike ride through the countryside and enjoy nature?
How about we go on a bike ride through the countryside and enjoy nature?
Do you want to play a game of chess with me? It's a fun strategy game.
Do you want to play a game of chess with me? It's a fun strategy game.
May I have a slice of cake? It looks so delicious and tempting.
May I have a slice of cake? It looks so delicious and tempting.
How about we visit the aquarium and see all the colorful fish and sea creatures?
How about we visit the aquarium and see all the colorful fish and sea creatures?
Let's go for a walk in the park. The flowers must look beautiful this time of year.
Let's go for a walk in the park. The flowers must look beautiful this time of year.
I'd love to have a hot dog with lots of ketchup and mustard. They're my favorite.
I'd love to have a hot dog with lots of ketchup and mustard. They're my favorite.
Can I have your opinion on something? I need help deciding which outfit to wear.
Can I have your opinion on something? I need help deciding which outfit to wear.
How about we have a picnic in the backyard and enjoy the sunny weather?
How about we have a picnic in the backyard and enjoy the sunny weather?
May I borrow your headphones? I want to listen to some music on my phone.
May I borrow your headphones? I want to listen to some music on my phone.
I'm thinking of starting a blog. What do you think I should write about?
I'm thinking of starting a blog. What do you think I should write about?
Let's go to the Science Museum and learn about the wonders of the universe.
Let's go to the Science Museum and learn about the wonders of the universe.
Can I have some advice on studying for exams? I want to do well in school.
Can I have some advice on studying for exams? I want to do well in school.
How about we visit the farm and see all the animals like cows and chickens?
How about we visit the farm and see all the animals like cows and chickens?
I'd love to have a cup of tea with a little honey. It's so soothing.
I'd love to have a cup of tea with a little honey. It's so soothing.
Let's go to the theater and watch a play. It's always a great experience.
Let's go to the theater and watch a play. It's always a great experience.
May I know your favorite hobby? I'm curious to learn more about you.
May I know your favorite hobby? I'm curious to learn more about you.
I'm planning to visit a historical site soon. Any recommendations?
I'm planning to visit a historical site soon. Any recommendations?
Hope you enjoyed today's video. Leave a comment below if you found any content challenging and share your thoughts with other learners. Subscribe, like, and share this video to support us and stay up to date on new courses. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.